What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a shrine. Okay, so you're going to need a candle of any kind. It doesn't really matter. Something to light the candle with, and an image of who the shrine is to. I'm gonna go get that. So I'll be right back. Nice. So here's the image of Vsauce, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to put it all together. So here we are in the dark dungeon that is my room. And so what do you want to do with your shrine? First step, take the image, prop it up against something like so. Then you place the candle. Get this little thing up. And then frick. Catch it on fire. So this stage, you really gotta be sure you don't catch the image on fire, because you might burn down your house. And also, you need to follow these instructions very, very, very carefully, because if you do something wrong, you may end up summoning Satan. So it's probably in your best interest that you don't choose an image of something evil. Okay, so if you enjoy the video, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.